In recent times, no business strategy discussion is complete without a reference to the ecosystem. Manufacturers are embracing to an open and collaborative platform. The question for manufacturers adopting ecosystem is not whether, it's when and how soon. The age of going solo is clearly a thing of past. In this collaborative age of working with consumers, vendors, regulators, and even competition is today's reality. Welcome to the manufacturing ecosystems. To help the ecosystem participants and aspirants to strategize their vision, IDC has come up with 10-point charters and a rich taxonomy. Based on ecosystem functions and use cases, we have defined 4 ecosystem models: the information exchange model, the shared application model, the collaborative platform model, and the marketplace model. For any support to develop an evaluation path from the enterprise model to the ecosystem model, feel free to reach out to me. You will get more thought leadership content and recent trends at the manufacturing ecosystem strategies at idc.com. Thank you for watching.